To activate Pixel 11 Pro on Google Fi app, first of all, just make sure that you are using the latest version of the Google Fi application and make sure that you got stable Wi-Fi connection. So right now it's actually quite simple because all you have to do is just to simply log in to the Google account that you are using, and now just open that Google Fi application. Now what you have to do, just click to get started, like so. There we go. Now, as I said before, you will have to select your default Google account over here. So this is the reason why I told you to be logged in. And now, as you can see, to activate this, we have to finish setting up our account. So we have to click over here. Now we'll be redirected into the browser. In the most cases, probably Google Chrome. And here we have to go for this initial process on the Google Fi. So you have to choose your plan, how many people. Well, you can find short description for each one. When you scroll down, if you find this one that fits your preferences, you will have to go for it. For example, in the flexible, you will have to click continue in the right bottom corner. And now, as you can see, it's actually telling us to buy a device, but I already got one, so not right now. And you have to just basically go through all of those simple steps and simply add the payment method and just simply pay with your device. And now after you set up everything, you can click to activate service. One more time, you will have to use this account that you were using previously, and you should get this automatic selection. So the most important step actually here is to finish this setup on the browser. We can also do this, for example, on your PC. You don't have to do this right now on your phone, but it is what it is. So just continue, and as I told you before, just confirm your address and other things, and that's pretty much it.